Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am creating this look. It's like a pinky blush look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please give it a massive thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and continue watching. I've already primed my face with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter primer, and for foundation I am going to be taking MAC Studio Fix foundation, and I am in the shade NC15. I forgot to prime my eyes, but I'll just do this first and then I'll prime my eyes when I finish my foundation. I'm going to be using my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. Blend it all in. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Be taking my little beauty blender. To set my eyes, I'm going to be taking the Rimmel Stay Match. Set my face, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix. Oh, wait, I need to conceal under my eyes before I do that. I can't believe I forgot another thing. Wow, it's just one of those days. Alright, to conceal under my eyes, I'll be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So under my eyes, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Okay, now I can set my face. I'm just going to lightly fill my eyebrows with the Kabrow by Benefit Cosmetics. So I'm going to be using the Anastsia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, just put over my brows. For my eyes, I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty new Nude palette. This palette is so pretty. If you guys don't have it, I suggest you go get it. I mean, it is really expensive, but it's a really good palette compared to her Rose Gold palette, the first palette she did come out with. This is definitely more of a pigmented palette than from the first palette she did. So the first shade I'm going to be taking is Tickle. Is this like a blush pink? Yeah, blush pink. I'm just gonna go lightly in my crease to start off with. I do have sticky tape on as well, so do not mind that. You'll see why. There is a bit of fallout as well when you dip into the shades, but that doesn't bother me. If it bothers you, then just a warning. It's not too bad, but yeah. The next shade I'm going to be taking is Spanked. What is it? And I will be using an angled brush, so I'm going to be deepening my crease with an angled brush and create like a winged line. This is very time consuming because you do want to get it nice and precise. But I always like to challenge myself. But practice makes perfect. Remember that, guys. I will be going back in with Tickle and Spank just so there is no harsh lines in my crease. Just to blend it all in. I am going to be using Spanx again and just put it all over my lid now. So I will be taking my Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter liner. And this is Grind. Now we'll be putting that in my crease. This is such a pretty color. Very time consuming doing the glitter, but I finally got there. Looks really pretty. When I go and do my other eye, I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how it turned out. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Benefit Cosmetics, what is it? Roller liner. For my bottom lashes, I will be going in with Tickle and Spanx. So I don't know what happened to my recording of my other eye, so I'm sorry that it's not in here, guys. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Demi Wispy lashes by Ardell, and lash glue, I'm going to be using the Holy Grail Cosmetics lash glue. So I will be right back. I'm going to put my lashes on off camera. So my lashes are on. For bottom lashes, I will be using Roller Lash again. Sorry that I keep getting too close to you guys. I just can't. I just keep doing that. Sorry. For my waterline, I'm going to be taking the Marc Jacobs Blacker pencil liner. See the difference between that? Oh, I just realized that I had turned off my little ring light and I didn't mean to. That's better. Oh, sorry guys. That's why I was like, why is it so dark? Oh, today is just not my day, if you cannot tell. I'm gonna be using Anastsia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter, and I'm gonna be highlighting my brow bone and my tear duct. Going to my trusty old palette, Kabrow Beauty. I don't really do a lot of pink eyeshadow looks, but I'm really liking this at the moment. It's really pretty. This colour is gorgeous, that Spanx colour from Huda Beauty. For blush, I'm going to be taking the California by Benefit Cosmetics. I think I put a little bit too much for my liking, but I'll work with it. Kind of goes well with this eye shade. I've got these rosy cheeks happening. I definitely don't like this, but it suits the eye look that I've done. Definitely don't like a lot of blush, like I've said before in my videos. Going back in with the highlighter that I used before, Anastsia, Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter. For lipstick, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Cosmic Gloss in the shade Spacesuit. This is such a really pretty gloss. I'm using this gloss so that it can match in with the glittery liner that I did use before. And for setting spray, I'm going to be using the All Nighter by Decay. So this is my finished look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is Cleo, everyone. She absolutely hates being picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.